Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best zombie costume is probably one of the most sought-after items for Halloween enthusiasts looking to embody the undead, offering a terrifyingly authentic look that can range from shambling horrors to cunning survivors, and it's crucial to select one that not only fits your desired level of gore and decay but also allows for comfortable movement and visibility throughout your haunted festivities, ensuring you can truly immerse yourself in the role of the apocalypse's most persistent inhabitants. Number 5. Nocciola Zombie Mummy Dog Toys with Organs. Introducing the Nocciola Zombie Mummy Dog Toy, a unique and engaging toy designed for your furry friend. It's packed with fun and designed for interactive play. This mummy is creatively designed with 8 small, squeaky organs hidden inside. Each organ has a cute face, adding an extra layer of fun to playtime. With durable built-in squeakers, this toy provides endless entertainment. It's perfect for dogs who love to chew and engage with their toys. This toy offers excellent mental stimulation. It challenges your dog to figure out how to interact with each part, promoting cognitive development. It provides an educational aspect for pet owners and keeps your dog entertained. It's a great way to engage your pet's mind and body. This puzzle toy effectively reduces boredom and prevents destructive habits. It offers a healthy outlet for your dog's mental and physical energy. What we like. This toy is packed with 8 organs, each with its own squeaker. If your dog loves to dig and find hidden treasures, this is the perfect challenge. It's ideal for dogs who need mental stimulation and enjoy a good puzzle. What people say. It's so much fun pulling out the various inner organs and handing them out. The dogs were so excited getting the different parts and squeaking them like crazy. The main big mummy squeaks and crinkles, which goes over really well, too. The nice thing is the center of the mummy, where all the parts are held, is open-closed via a sturdy zipper. Unlike other items with stuffed parts that have Velcro strips to hold the items inside, that ends up all wet and destroyed by chewing, the zipper allows me to open it and close it. This toy is very well made. Despite being aggressively played with by very LG dogs with very strong jaws, every toy has held together, which is a big surprise. Most toys last minutes in this house. The mummy has held up well, with the zipper closed, too. Number 4. Washable Blood Splatter 2-pack. Get a realistic blood splatter effect with this 2-pack. It's perfect for creating a truly terrifying look for any occasion. Don't worry about stains. This fake blood is washable, making cleanup a breeze. It's safe for use on skin and costumes. From Halloween costumes to theatrical productions, this versatile fake blood is ideal. Use it for zombie, vampire, or clown makeup. Achieve the perfect look with ease. The spray and drop application allows for precise and creative blood effects. Take your cosplay and costume makeup to the next level. This fake blood adds that essential touch of horror and realism. Make your Halloween unforgettable with these essential props. They are perfect for creating gruesome and dramatic effects. What we like. Achieve that authentic zombie look with this washable fake blood spray. If you're aiming for a truly gruesome costume, this is your go-to. It's perfect for creating blood splatters on clothes and skin for a terrifying effect. What people say. The zombie Halloween costume is a great addition to any spooky celebration. This costume features realistic details that make the zombie look truly terrifying. The material is durable and comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 3. Halloween Scar Makeup Kit. Get ready for Halloween with our amazing Scar Makeup Kit. It includes 20 sheets of temporary tattoos perfect for creating realistic effects. These temporary tattoos are great for kids, women, and men. Add a spooky touch to your costume or party look with ease. Looking for unique party favors? These stickers are ideal for Halloween parties, making them a hit with all your guests. Applying them is simple, and they can be easily removed when you're done. Enjoy the fun without the hassle. Fill up your goodie bags with these fun and festive decorations. They make excellent small gifts and party bag fillers. Use them for a variety of Halloween looks, from gruesome zombies to mysterious characters. They are a must-have accessory for the season. What we like. Get a variety of realistic scars with these temporary tattoos. If you want a quick and easy way to add gruesome details to your Halloween look, these are fantastic. They are great for kids and adults alike for parties and trick-or-treating. What people say. They went on super easy and washed off even easier with a washcloth and soap. Very realistic and so many to choose from. Easy to apply, and look amazing. Number 2. Halloween Fake Blood Spray. Create incredibly realistic blood effects for your Halloween costume. This spray delivers a convincing splatter that enhances any spooky look. Don't worry about cleanup. Our fake blood is easily washable, making it perfect for temporary costume use. It's designed for safe application on skin and costumes. Use it for a variety of characters, from zombies and vampires to clowns. It's ideal for adding that extra touch of horror to your cosplay makeup. Achieve the perfect splatter with our convenient spray bottle. Just a few sprays can transform your costume into something truly terrifying. Elevate your Halloween, cosplay, or themed party attire. This blood spray is the essential accessory for any frightening character you want to embody. Add dramatic detail with these eye blood drops. They provide a concentrated effect for those truly gruesome moments in your costume design. What we like. This fake blood spray offers a realistic splatter effect and includes eye blood drops. If you need to add that extra touch of horror to your zombie or monster costume, this is it. It's perfect for detailed makeup effects on clothes and skin. What people say. This spray is awesome. It is very easy to apply and doesn't make a mess. It comes off well also. If you spray it on clothes, it has that realistic brown tint, very accurate and great for costumes. It also comes with a sponge that you can use to make a splatter pattern. This stuff is very easy to work with, very easy to clean up and looks extremely realistic. They even got that weird brown tint blood has down right. This is great quality stuff. Maybe get it from the actual store or maybe it's just me. But it didn't work on my brown skin. It barely showed up. But on my clothes it did perfectly. Number 1. RAPGET Zombie Mask. Get ready to scare everyone with this incredibly realistic zombie mask. It's perfect for Halloween or any costume party. Crafted from high-quality latex, this full head mask features an unsettling old man design. The attention to detail is truly terrifying. This mask provides complete head coverage for an immersive and frightening look. It's designed for a comfortable fit, allowing you to wear it all night. Don't settle for a basic costume this Halloween. This zombie mask is the ultimate accessory to make your outfit unforgettable. Whether it's a Halloween party, a haunted house, or a themed event, this mask is guaranteed to turn heads and elicit screams. Transform yourself into a horrifying creature of the night. This mask offers a chillingly authentic zombie appearance. What we like. This latex mask provides full head coverage with a creepy old man design. If you're looking for a truly unsettling and realistic zombie transformation, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for anyone wanting to make a dramatic entrance at a Halloween party. What people say. I like how detailed it is for the money. Worked great for my Jason costume. The quality of this mask exceeded my expectations based on the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.